Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
You should practice speaking every day. You should practice speaking every day.
Kamu seharusnya berlatih berbicara setiap hari.
This shirt is custom made for me. This shirt is custom made for me.
Kemeja ini dibuat sesuai pesanan untuk saya.
Please transfer the money to my account today. Please transfer the money to my account today.
Tolong transfer uangnya ke akun saya hari ini.
You need to find a way to solve this. You need to find a way to solve this.
Kamu perlu menemukan cara untuk menyelesaikan ini.
I will end this meeting now. I will end this meeting now.
Saya akan mengakhiri pertemuan ini sekarang.
In my view, this is the best option. In my view, this is the best option.
Menurut saya, ini adalah pilihan terbaik.
My workout usually lasts 30 minutes. My workout usually lasts 30 minutes.
Latihan saya biasanya berlangsung 30 menit.
I think we should take a break now. I think we should take a break now.
Menurut saya, kita harus istirahat sekarang.
He lost contact with his friends last year. He lost contact with his friends last year.
Dia kehilangan kontak dengan teman-temannya tahun lalu.
You should change the light bulb. You should change the light bulb.
Kamu harus mengganti bola lampu itu.
He studied every move of the chess player. He studied every move of the chess player.
Dia mempelajari setiap gerakan pemain catur.
The meeting will go on until 5 p.m. The meeting will go on until 5 p.m.
Pertemuan akan terus berlangsung hingga jam 5 sore.
The training lasted for 3 hours. The training lasted for 3 hours.
Pelatihan berlangsung selama 3 jam.
She will turn 30 next month. She will turn 30 next month.
Dia akan berusia 30 tahun bulan depan.
The teacher made a correction to my homework. The teacher made a correction to my homework.
Guru membuat koreksi pada pekerjaan rumah saya.
She is a good example for everyone to follow. She is a good example for everyone to follow.
Dia adalah teladan yang baik untuk diikuti semua orang.
I can't handle such a large amount of work. I can't handle such a large amount of work.
Saya tidak bisa menangani pekerjaan sebanyak itu.
They agreed to meet at the cafe later. They agreed to meet at the cafe later.
Mereka sepakat untuk bertemu di kafe nanti.
The temperature will go up this afternoon. The temperature will go up this afternoon.
Suhu akan naik sore ini.
The teacher gave us a math exercise. The teacher gave us a math exercise.
Guru memberi kami latihan matematika.
The phone number was written on the card. The phone number was written on the card.
Nomor telepon itu ditulis di kartu.
Friendship is a special type of relationship. Friendship is a special type of relationship.
Persahabatan adalah jenis hubungan yang istimewa.
The students must conform to the school's policy. The students must conform to the school's policy.
Siswa-siswa harus menuruti kebijakan sekolah.
He bought a new suit for the wedding. He bought a new suit for the wedding.
Dia membeli jas baru untuk pernikahan.
He gave confirmation that he will attend. He gave confirmation that he will attend.
Dia memberikan konfirmasi bahwa dia akan hadir.
The repair of the building took several months. The repair of the building took several months.
Pemulihan gedung itu memakan waktu beberapa bulan.
He made a modification to the original design. He made a modification to the original design.
Dia melakukan perubahan pada desain asli.
They removed the old furniture last week. They removed the old furniture last week.
Mereka membuang furnitur lama minggu lalu.
You can go ahead with your presentation now. You can go ahead with your presentation now.
Kamu bisa melanjutkan presentasimu sekarang.
She warmed up with light stretching. She warmed up with light stretching.
Dia melakukan pemanasan dengan peregangan ringan.
He has a bunch of friends in his class. He has a bunch of friends in his class.
Dia memiliki banyak teman di kelasnya.
I can't find the drill in the toolbox. I can't find the drill in the toolbox.
Saya tidak bisa menemukan alat bor di kotak peralatan.
The little things in life bring true happiness. The little things in life bring true happiness.
Hal-hal kecil dalam hidup membawa kebahagiaan sejati.
You can gain confidence by practicing more. You can gain confidence by practicing more.
Kamu bisa meningkatkan kepercayaan diri dengan berlatih lebih banyak.
The company is working to reduce employee turnover. The company is working to reduce employee turnover.
Perusahaan sedang berupaya mengurangi pergantian karyawan.
They are working on a group assignment together. They are working on a group assignment together.
Mereka bekerja bersama dalam tugas kelompok.
She didn't want to surrender to the pressure. She didn't want to surrender to the pressure.
Dia tidak ingin menyerah pada tekanan.
She performed a magic trick during the show. She performed a magic trick during the show.
Dia melakukan trik sulap selama pertunjukan.
The switch broke, so the light doesn't work. The switch broke, so the light doesn't work.
Saklar itu rusak, jadi lampu tidak menyala.
They will continue working on the project tomorrow. They will continue working on the project tomorrow.
Mereka akan melanjutkan pekerjaan proyek besok.
They occupy the house next to ours. They occupy the house next to ours.
Mereka menempati rumah di sebelah rumah kami.
She used the last of the milk for coffee. She used the last of the milk for coffee.
Dia menggunakan sisa susu terakhir untuk kopi.
They employ several strategies for marketing. They employ several strategies for marketing.
Mereka menggunakan beberapa strategi pemasaran.
The economy is expected to rise this year. The economy is expected to rise this year.
Perekonomian diperkirakan akan meningkat tahun ini.
Rehearsals are important for a great performance. Rehearsals are important for a great performance.
Latihan penting untuk pertunjukan yang hebat.
She will take the test tomorrow morning. She will take the test tomorrow morning.
Dia akan mengikuti ujian besok pagi.
They operate several stores across the country. They operate several stores across the country.
Mereka mengoperasikan beberapa toko di seluruh negeri.
I am excited to execute my new business idea. I am excited to execute my new business idea.
Saya bersemangat untuk menjalankan ide bisnis baru saya.
We are working on the application of new strategies. We are working on the application of new strategies.
Kami sedang mengupayakan penerapan strategi-strategi baru.
She instructed the children to wash their hands. She instructed the children to wash their hands.
Dia menginstruksikan anak-anak untuk mencuci tangan.
He displaced the chair to make space. He displaced the chair to make space.
Dia menggeser kursi untuk membuat ruang.
She utilized her skills to solve the problem. She utilized her skills to solve the problem.
Dia memanfaatkan keterampilannya untuk menyelesaikan masalah.
She wants to ride the new amusement ride. She wants to ride the new amusement ride.
Dia ingin mencoba wahana baru di taman hiburan.
A good performance requires preparation and practice. A good performance requires preparation and practice.
Kinerja yang baik memerlukan persiapan dan latihan.
The accident was just a case of bad luck. The accident was just a case of bad luck.
Kecelakaan itu hanya karena nasib buruk.
I need to get a new phone soon. I need to get a new phone soon.
Saya perlu mendapatkan telepon baru segera.
The team is responsible for the implementation of this strategy. The team is responsible for the implementation of this strategy.
Tim bertanggung jawab atas penerapan strategi ini.
The compatibility of the functions improved performance. The compatibility of the functions improved performance.
Kecocokan fungsi-fungsi tersebut meningkatkan kinerja.
There is a harmony between the two designs. There is a harmony between the two designs.
Ada kecocokan antara kedua desain tersebut.
The function of the heart is to pump blood. The function of the heart is to pump blood.
Fungsi jantung adalah untuk memompa darah.
The law grants equal rights to everyone. The law grants equal rights to everyone.
Hukum memberikan hak yang setara kepada setiap orang.
His explanation of the issue was very clear. His explanation of the issue was very clear.
Penjelasannya tentang masalah itu sangat jelas.
The organization carried out a survey on public opinion. The organization carried out a survey on public opinion.
Organisasi tersebut melaksanakan survei mengenai opini publik.
This shirt doesn't fit in with the dress code. This shirt doesn't fit in with the dress code.
Kemeja ini tidak cocok dengan aturan berpakaian.
The local police are responsible for enforcement of the law. The local police are responsible for enforcement of the law.
Polisi setempat bertanggung jawab atas penegakan hukum.
I need to check the warranty terms before buying. I need to check the warranty terms before buying.
Saya perlu memeriksa syarat garansi sebelum membeli.
They will match the product with the description. They will match the product with the description.
Mereka akan menyamakan produk dengan deskripsi.
I often correspond with my family members. I often correspond with my family members.
Saya sering menulis surat kepada anggota keluarga saya.
They have given their consent for the changes. They have given their consent for the changes.
Mereka telah memberikan persetujuan untuk perubahan itu.
Legalization of the process was necessary for its success. Legalization of the process was necessary for its success.
Pengakuan hukum terhadap proses itu penting untuk kesuksesannya.
The team aims to increase its performance. The team aims to increase its performance.
Tim bertujuan untuk meningkatkan kinerjanya.
We celebrate cultural festivals every year. We celebrate cultural festivals every year.
Kami merayakan festival budaya setiap tahun.
He was responsible for the execution of the plan. He was responsible for the execution of the plan.
Dia bertanggung jawab atas pelaksanaan rencana.
We need to find ways to increase our revenue. We need to find ways to increase our revenue.
Kita perlu mencari cara untuk meningkatkan pendapatan kita.
The teacher granted an extension for the assignment. The teacher granted an extension for the assignment.
Guru memberikan perpanjangan untuk tugas itu.
Adversity helps us grow stronger over time. Adversity helps us grow stronger over time.
Kesulitan membantu kita menjadi lebih kuat seiring waktu.
The movie transformed the book into a visual story. The movie transformed the book into a visual story.
Film tersebut mengubah buku menjadi cerita visual.
The weather will shift by tomorrow afternoon. The weather will shift by tomorrow afternoon.
Perubahan cuaca akan terjadi pada besok sore.
The charity depends on donations from the community. The charity depends on donations from the community.
Yayasan bergantung pada donasi dari masyarakat.
She climbed to the top of the tree. She climbed to the top of the tree.
Dia memanjat ke puncak pohon.
The validation of the software is ongoing. The validation of the software is ongoing.
Pengujian perangkat lunak sedang berlangsung.
The appointment of a new director was announced. The appointment of a new director was announced.
Penunjukan direktur baru telah diumumkan.
A stipulation was added to the contract later. A stipulation was added to the contract later.
Sebuah persyaratan ditambahkan ke kontrak kemudian.
The income from sales was higher than expected. The income from sales was higher than expected.
Pendapatan dari penjualan lebih tinggi dari yang diperkirakan.
His determination helped him achieve his goal. His determination helped him achieve his goal.
Kegigihannya membantunya mencapai tujuannya.
The endorsement of the plan was given by the CEO. The endorsement of the plan was given by the CEO.
Pengesahan atas rencana tersebut diberikan oleh CEO.
The justification for the delay was clear. The justification for the delay was clear.
Alasan yang sah untuk keterlambatan itu jelas.
You will receive a receipt after the transaction. You will receive a receipt after the transaction.
Anda akan menerima kwitansi setelah transaksi.
The team took on the challenge without hesitation. The team took on the challenge without hesitation.
Tim tersebut mengambil tantangan itu tanpa ragu.
This institution is known for its healthcare services. This institution is known for its healthcare services.
Lembaga ini dikenal dengan layanan kesehatan mereka.
The restoration of the painting was done carefully. The restoration of the painting was done carefully.
Perbaikan lukisan itu dilakukan dengan hati-hati.
Her fortune changed when she started her business. Her fortune changed when she started her business.
Nasibnya berubah ketika dia memulai bisnisnya.
They struggled to accept their destiny. They struggled to accept their destiny.
Mereka berjuang untuk menerima nasib mereka.
They were out of luck when they missed the bus. They were out of luck when they missed the bus.
Mereka kurang beruntung ketika mereka ketinggalan bus.
The tsunami caused widespread disaster and damage. The tsunami caused widespread disaster and damage.
Tsunami menyebabkan bencana dan kerusakan yang meluas.
The alteration in the report was carefully reviewed. The alteration in the report was carefully reviewed.
Perubahan pada laporan itu ditinjau dengan hati-hati.
The event will proceed as planned tomorrow. The event will proceed as planned tomorrow.
Acara akan dilanjutkan sesuai rencana besok.
She earned a decent profit from her investments. She earned a decent profit from her investments.
Dia memperoleh keuntungan yang cukup dari investasinya.
They are waiting for the admission letter. They are waiting for the admission letter.
Mereka sedang menunggu surat penerimaan.
They applied the theory in real-life scenarios. They applied the theory in real-life scenarios.
Mereka menerapkan teori dalam situasi kehidupan nyata.